Hello to all my friends out there. So today we ate the last bit of the hamburger stew, and I thought, a good strategy for saving money is to make pots of food and then eat it for a couple days. One of the other ladies I follow, she makes a lot of food and then they eat it for a couple days, and I think that was really, really smart. So, okay, I buy cookbooks. Let me show you. Okay, I buy cookbooks and I sell them on eBay, and this cookbook is not in really, really good shape. No time to cook cookbook. And I sell them on eBay. My books are not going well because I have them priced at $3.98. And this cookbook is not in very good shape. I'm not selling this one anyway, but that's not the point. The point is, this is a really good recipe. I have another similar recipe to this, and what it is tomatoes, macaroni, salt, pepper, and sugar. Millie's cabbage soup, and this is good because I have everything in the stockpile to make this. So, okay, what happened was, I bought those packages of tomatoes, and I wasn't eating that many tomatoes because it wasn't a veggie day, so I'm going to pour the whole thing in here. Okay, this is supposed to be 16 ounces of tomatoes, but 16 ounces would be a can about this size, so I'm just going to use my roasted tomatoes. I keep these in the stockpile. Usually I cook hot dogs in these, and then I serve them with mashed potatoes. Okay, so it calls for 1 cup of chicken broth, and I have bouillon cubes. I usually use those. So okay, one of these makes 2 cups. So I think I like a little broth in my soups, like my hamburger stew. And then if I need more, I'll add. I could chop my tomatoes with the side. Oh no, I think I'll just add a little bit more. Okay, so that looks good. And then 2 teaspoons of sugar. And most likely some salt and pepper. Okay, so you can see this is looking pretty good. If you're a lover of sauerkraut, you'll like this one. And did I give you a long enough shot to take a screenshot? Okay, and then I have these little potatoes left. And then I have some of those hamburger beef patties. And so I'll just cook this for a while, no big hurry. I think on any kind of soup, the longer, I think I'm just going to add all my, okay, so I added two cups of chicken bouillon, and I'm going to cook this, I don't know. It's supposed to be, how long does it say? Heat slowly until flavors mingle and the soup is piping hot. Serve with crusty bread. Well, I'm having potatoes. We're just going to bake them in the microwave with sour cream and butter and some hamburger patties. One more thing I got to mention. Okay, for the stockpile, I usually buy 2 of these at a time. So I used one up and I go, uh-oh, and then luckily I had another one in the stockpile. So, okay, you guys, I'll be back.